This morning's Holly Willoughby and Phillip Schofield presented together for the first time on Monday since rumors of a feud emerged. They failed to address the rift and were instead all smiles and giggles as they introduced each segment of the show. They even took part in a workout segment, where they both sat on the floor next to each other and used different fitness equipment with the guidance of a personal trainer. Yet the pair's relationship was on everyone's minds as they noticed Holly and Phillip get emotional whilst discussing friendship. Overcome with emotion, Holly gushed about good people. The pair were commenting on the moment Kevin Sinfield carried his friend Rob Burrow over the finishing line at the Leeds Marathon. The two Leeds Rhinos legends have been raising money for those with motor neuron disease, as Rob has been battling with the condition since 2019. Phillip admitted they had to watch the video a number of times so they wouldn't break down in tears live on air. Don't miss Holly showing discomfort and Phillip seems more awkward on This Morning, Insight. Phillip Schofield and Holly Willoughby all smiles as they gloss over feud, video, poll, who do you want to stay on This Morning after Holly and Phil rift? Poll, Camilla Tominey, who was discussing the news with them, said, "It's the beauty of a friendship." Holly replied, "Yeah. It's the moment where he is talking in his eyes. It's just really lovely. Humans are good, aren't they?" Holly is yet to officially comment on Phillip's statement about their alleged feud, but sources have said she was left blindsided. Phillip released a statement to the press which read, "As I have said before, Holly is my rock. We're the best of friends, as always. She is an incredible support on screen, behind the scenes and on the phone. Holly has always been there for me, through thick and thin. And I've been there for her. The last few weeks haven't been easy for either of us." This Morning airs on weekdays on ITV from 10 a.m.